Hello, and thank you for joining me for my intern presentation. I was able to intern as an assistant finance human resource clerk for the town of Pinetop Lakeside in Lakeside, Arizona. My name is Bridget Blake. I'm an interdisciplinary study major. I focused on business management and have minors in human resource management and psychology. The town of Pinetop Lakeside is located in eastern Arizona and is a popular recreation destination. It was voted Best Cabin Region in 2015, and you can see from these pictures that it is a beautiful place. I chose the town of Pinetop Lakeside for several reasons. First, I had many years' experience in the private sector, and I believe I would enjoy a long-term career in the public sector. I knew I would be able to apply the knowledge and skills gained at BYU Idaho and make a positive contribution. Plus, I'm a native of this community, so I care about the policies and procedures that affect it. I researched several places, and ultimately I knew I wanted to gain employment working for a municipality. I completed the Pathway program, and one of the missionaries is the town manager for the town of Pinetop Lakeside. I reached out to him to see if there was a possibility of working for the finance director. I was able to meet the director and share some of my experience and skills, and was able to arrange my internship. This is the finance director, Kevin Rodoff. I was able to use many of the skills and knowledge I gained in my coursework to contribute to the organization. I have used Excel extensively to update the employee salary and benefit totals in preparation for the upcoming budget. I have also completed deposits and reconciliations, as well as prepared contract documents for 2 large projects that went out for bid. This is one of the projects that I worked on. The town is currently using a small building that was the Public Works Department. The building on the right was purchased in December and requires extensive renovations. The budget for this project is $440,000. It was such a great learning experience to research contract requirements, prepare the documents, and send the project out for bid. At the end of my internship, I was offered a position of contract specialist. I will work 20 hours per week and receive vacation, sick leave, and most importantly, retirement benefits. My position includes many tasks that my education prepared me to handle. I have already been able to make improvement in many processes. I had several different opportunities when I was looking for my internship, but I really wanted a career working in the public sector because I knew what the benefits were. Often internships lead to job offers, so work hard to get an internship where you think you want to work. I researched the organization, so when employees were talking about policy, procedures, and current issues, I knew what they were talking about and could have intelligent conversation. My research didn't prepare me for everything, so when I didn't know things, I asked questions. I would also encourage interns to be bold, not arrogant, but be confident in sharing the knowledge you have gained in your courses to make suggestions for improvements. I feel that I've been able to share my testimony by being happy and positive, which comes from having an eternal perspective about work. Work hard, be positive, and be open to people and new experiences, and good things will follow. I'm so grateful for my internship and the opportunity that I've had to attend BYU Idaho. Thank you.